Hey guys,
Hello Finda, how are you today?
I'm good Mal, and you?
I'm good too, Fin.
Halo Finda, halo Akmal.
Okay guys, today we are going to talk about comparison assignment yesterday. So I will share screen about the tabs yesterday.
Thank you, Vin. So, let's start the discussion. By the way, can you read the problem, Vin?
Okay, Alice and Bob can complete a job in 2 hours. Alice and Carly can complete the same job in 3 hours. Bob and Carly can complete the same job in 4 hours. How long will the job take if Alice, Bob, and Carly work together? Assume each person works at the constant rate whether working alone or working with others.
Okay guys, who already has the solution for this mathematics problem?
I think we should translate the names and the numbers into an equation first. Yes, I was just going to say that.
Okay, I'll try translate this problem into equation.
Okay, Vin.
First, Alice and Bob can complete a job in 2 hours. It means that A plus B equals 2. The second sentence, Alice and Carly can complete the job in 3 hours. And similarly, convert it to A plus C equals 3.
Let me continue, Finda. The third condition, Bob and Charlie can complete the job in 4 hours, gets converted to the equation B plus C equals 4.
And then, the question of how long it will take for all three of them working together gets translated into the question of what is A plus B plus C equals to. Is it right, guys?
Yes, alright.
To solve this system of equation, we can add up all the equations together. Yes, we end up getting 2a plus 2b plus 2c equals 9, then divided by 2, and that gets us to a plus b plus c equals 9 halves, or equals 4 and a half. So the solution is 4 and a half.
Yes, we are finished.
Wait guys, sorry to interrupt, but I think this answer doesn't make any sense.
Why?
Okay, we know that Alice and Bob take 2 hours, Alice and Charlie take 3 hours, and Bob and Charlie take 4 hours. But somehow, when all three are working together, they take 4.5 hours. This makes no sense.
Oh yes, I'm agree with you, Ma. When three people work together, it should take less time than when only two people work together, guys. But 4.5 hours is more time. So this answer must be wrong.
So how do we solve the problem?
We need to set up the equation in the correct method. We know that Alice and Bob can complete a job in 2 hours. So if they complete the job in 2 hours, that means the percentage of the job that Alice does in 2 hours plus the percentage of the job that Bob does in 2 hours equals 100%, or that equals 1.
Now, since they work at a constant rate, we can say the amount of the job that Alice does in 2 hours in 2 times the amount of the job that she does in an hour. And the same thing goes for Bob.
So we now have a natural choice for our variables. We can say that percentage of the job that Alice does in 1 hour will be the variable A, and the percentage of the job that Bob does in 1 hour will be the variable B. Is it right, guys?
Yes, alright, Finda.
And this leads to the equation that 2a plus 2b equals 1. And then we can group this out to be 2 times 2a, the quantity a plus b equal 1. Is it right?
Yes, and then now we can translate the second sentence. We have Alice and Charlie completing the job in 3 hours. This will translate into 3 times the quantity A plus C equals 1, where C is the percentage of the job that Charlie completes in 1 hour. We also have that Bob and Charlie can complete the job in 4 hours. So that would mean 4 times the quantity B plus C equals 1.
Now we want to figure out what would happen if they all three work together. We are needing to solve for the time t times in the brackets a plus b plus c equals 1. We need to solve for this variable t.
Well, we can similarly add up all the equations.
We can multiply each equation so that there's a leading coefficient of 12, which is the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4. So the first equation will multiply by 6. This will get 12 times the quantity a plus b to be equal to 6.
Yes, and the second equation will multiply by 4, and the third equation will multiply by 3. And now we can add up all of these equations. We will end up with 12a 2 times, 12b 2 times, 12c 2 times, and this will be equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3.
Then we can factor out the 24 of each of these variables, and that will be equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3, which equals 13. And then divided by 13, and we end up with 24 divided by 13 times the quantity a plus b plus c equals 1. And that is what we wanted to figure out.
So we go back to our setup and we can see that we get to the answer of 24 over 13. So the job will take 24 over 13 hours, or about 1 hour and 51 minutes. And this is a sensible answer because it takes less time than any pair working together.
Yes, finally we have got the solution of this mathematical problem and we can close this discussion today, guys.
Okay, before we close this meeting today, can we take photo together, guys?
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, let's take a picture, guys. I will screenshot on my laptop. Okay, are you all ready? 1, 2, 3, cheers! Okay.
Thanks God, it's all the task is done. Let's end the meeting today. By the way, thank you guys and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Thank you very much and see you all.
thank you everyone. I will end our meeting today. Goodbye.